As you can see, it's absolutely stunning weather. Has a certain charm. What's that?
You can only imagine the view.
Yeah. I choose to imagine it's not very good anyway. We're not missing out on anything. So this episode's coming to you from sunny Tasmania. Ben Lomond National Park to be exact. And we're on the track to Detour, which is the second highest point in Tassie, behind Mount Ossa. Somewhat in line with the current conditions, we will soon be coming to a place called Misery Bluff. So, got that to look forward to. But actually, I think these conditions seem to lend themselves kind of well to the terrain. Just feels right. Let's see what's up ahead. There are snow poles. So camera, this is Matt. How are you finding it?
Beautiful.
It's nice, isn't it? Bloody marvellous.
We picked the best day out of the year. In a blizzard.
In fact, I'm finding the sleep quite refreshing.
Best shower I've had in a couple of weeks.
You're a wild man.
Mountain man.
The grizzly mountain man. How's it going? And that's the snow poles.
That's always the best way to get through here.
Yeah. Ooh, that looks quite deep. Oh no! It's gone in the top of my boot. Yeah, I wasn't paying attention. So the problem I've discovered with waterproof boots is that when you fall into a stream and they fill with water, it stays in the boot. Oh, what fun. Enjoying yourself?
Enjoy is a strong word.
And just as we were about to reach the summit, my camera died.
The summit of, what is it, Detour. Beautiful. Should we just go straight back down? Oh, we should take a photo.
And that's about that. We stumbled on in the snow and the murk and eventually came across the ski village and thankfully the taxi back down to the car park. And what did we learn from this little adventure? Well, snow's cold, but ice in your boot is colder. Sure, that seems obvious now, but hey, we're from Queensland. Thankfully.